Hi, welcome to Microsoft Excel's training. Right now, I have a tools that may be helpful for unit trust, right? Consultant, right? Is that I have this, let's say a person's enter the date of birth, right? And the Excels, right, will automatically calculate the age, right? And they only need to enter this two, and the amount that can withdraw will be calculated right without any troubles, right? It's just based on the chart that is provided by the KWSP page, right? So now once you get your client may ask you that, okay, so I know that, right, I'm going to withdraw this month, right? Where's the next date that I need to that I can withdraw, right? Because every 3 months, right, you can withdraw that, right? So there you are, right? So I have this, then the next this, and then the next, and the third, and the fourth, right? So in a year, right? So assuming that Amma is withdrawing on the first day on this first withdrawal on the fifth, right? The next withdrawal will be on the February, right? So now Emma have a better idea. Okay, well that's February, right? So where's the third one, right? So on the fifth, right? So all you need is just taking this first withdrawal and times 6 months down the road, right? Plus 1 day, right? That's the next day. Then you can start withdrawal, right? And there's an email address, right? So you can really do that, right? So now let's say I'm in the month of 10, right? So I want to know which um investor, right, is taking their first withdrawal on this month, right? So it's like, so now I know that Shakira, who is just like having the which as an earlier investment with me, right? So that is what happened, right? So that's just assuming, right? So and I want to know about the nine, right? Oh, I have two as well, right? So about 12, right? I want to know 12. Oh, I have this two, right? So that's how handy is that, right? So how do we highlight that? How do we really automatically highlight that, right? Is that we're gonna use the highlight these things here, right? Highlight the list, and you head to home and look at condition formatting and use new rules, right? Once you're heading to new rules, right, you should be able to see this diagram here, right? And what you need to do is that enter this formula. So you can pause this video and key in these formulas, and also click on the format. And once you've done this, right, click on the OK buttons. Then that's it. Hope this is useful for unit trust consultant, right? Thank you.